Hi everyone, welcome back. Hopefully you all are doing good in this tough times. And yes, the stock which I've brought to you today is a very special stock. Maybe it will give you some diabetes also. So like something special this week. So what I've done is I've bought two stocks for you, wherein I'll be discussing the one stock with you in very details. And based on the learning of this first stock, you need to analyze the second stock and give in the comment section below what you understand about the second stock which I'm going to mention you after we discuss this first stock. So the first stock which we are going to discuss today is Eid Parry Limited. This is a stock from sugar sector, and as you can see in front of your screen, this is a daily chart, and the last Friday the stock closed around the levels of 450 rupees. So now what we can understand from this daily chart over here, see 420 is a level to 415. So this 420 to 415 is a level which has been respected a lot of times by the stock. So we understand 420 is acting, yes, 420 is acting as a support to the stock on daily time frames, whereas on the upper side we can see twice the stock has gone to the levels of 463 rupees. Yes, twice the stock has gone to the levels of 463 rupees, and I've seen the selling pressure over there and come down. So last Friday what happened, the stock went up to the levels of 461 rupees and it saw some pressure, and again the stock came back to the 450 rupees. So what we understand just by looking at the daily time frame, see the 460 463 is a resistance and 420 is acting as a support to the stock. So this is about the daily time frame, but you as always know I don't look for this like 5 days or 6 days of trading. What why I'm looking after this stock is, I'll let you know. I'm looking with a view in this stock of almost like between 3 to 4 months is my view to the stock. As you can see, this is a monthly time frame now in front of your screen, and we'll go to the history of this stock. This stock started its journey in 1994-95, and since then you can see the moment of the stock and the current market price 450 460. This is the lifetime high the stock has made. So the stock is trading in lifetime zone as of now, and you can see over here down in the volume section, look at these two big bars. So what we understand from this is this the stock is being loved by the people in the market, and this big bars is not very easy to be made by the retail investors in the market. So but obviously we understand there are some big institutions, DIIs, FIIs, who are doing trading or making positions or accumulating the script. So is why this stock is very attracting to me, and I'm looking for a 3 to 4 months of view. Now what I'll be discussing with you. See, three things are very important in any stock. What shall be your target? What shall be your stop loss? And what is the entry level? When are you going to make entry in the stock? So very first we'll discuss about what are the targets in the stock. So as always, we'll be using a tool that is Fibonacci retracement, where we'll be connecting the highs and the lows of the stock. From here, what we understand, see the very first target in the stock, the very first target is 565 rupees. The very first target in the stock, 565, and the second target in the stock is 850 rupees. Yes, note it down. Current market price 450 rupees. The first target in the stock 565 rupees. The second target, yes, the second target in the stock is 850 rupees, but this can be seen over the period of 4 to 5 months, as this is the long time frame which we are looking at. Okay, so this is about the targets. Next thing what we need to discuss about is what should be your stop loss. If you make a position in the stock, what should be your stop loss? See, we understand very well in the markets until now, you people also must have understand the level which was resistance before becomes the support once it is crossed by the script. So you can see over here, this used to act as a resistance to the stock, which was the previous high, and see, a lot of times stock approached over here to move above and couldn't move above over there. Then stock made a big rally in this particular week and it tried to close above this previous levels. And after which this level, which was a resistance, will now act as a support to the stock. So you can see after this crossing, the stock never went down this level. Now, what is the low after which this stock made is 400 rupees. So see, 400 is a psychological level, and also as you can see over here, the stock is respecting the 400 level over here. So your stop loss should be somewhere below 400. See, 400 is a psychological level. Stock going below it will be a little difficult. So somewhere below 400, that is 398, 395 is somewhere you can place your stop loss. Yes, the stop loss is little deep because this is a longer time frame which we are looking for. So 400, somewhere below 400 should be your stop loss. Now coming to the next thing, when should you enter in the stock? See, when should you enter in the stock? See, 463 is the level where we saw twice on daily time frame that there was a pullback from that level. So if you want to make an entry, make a fresh entry above 465. Make a fresh entry above 465 so that the previous supplies are all gone away. Or else what you can do is this level from where the stock is bouncing since 3 weeks is 420. So what you can do is somewhere you can try to buy between 420 to 425. So buying zone 420 to 425 or freshly buying above 465. Two levels, 420, 25, you buy somewhere between there, or you buy after it crosses the level of 465. So this is what we talked about buying level also. So I'll summarize the entire thing. Current market price of the stock is 450 rupees. Yes, the current market price of the stock is 450 rupees. Then we found out the targets in the stock by connecting the highs and lows. So 565 and 850 were the two targets in the stock. 565 and 850 are the two targets in the stock. What shall be your stop loss? Stop loss shall be somewhere below 400. Somewhere below 400. Okay. Then what is your buying zone? Buying zone is 420 to 425. Somewhere between 420 to 425 you buy, or else if stock doesn't go to that level and moves above 465, then also you can buy the stock. See, this you have to make your own decision, right? And based on which you make your own positions. Time frame, I already told you, minimum 3 to 4 months of time frame. So this was all about Eid Parry Limited, the sugar sector stock, and it is the leading in its sector. It is the leading stock in its sector with the highest market cap in its sector. And what I've done is I will be giving you the second stock, that is the Uttam Sugar Mills Limited. Yes, the second stock's name is Uttam Sugar Mills Limited, which you yourself have to go on investing.com, try to put in that chart, analyze the same way that I analyzed Eid Parry, and give in the comment section below what are the targets you see in the stock, what are the entry levels you see in the stock, what is the stop loss you will be maintaining in the stock, so that I also come to understand that these educational videos are coming to your help. So that's it from my side from today. And yes, in the description, I have given a link wherein you can enroll for the course, which I'm starting from the 1st of July, wherein I'll teaching you each and every depth of my knowledge, what I've accumulated over this 5 years of time, wherein you yourself will be able to make short-term investments in the stock market. Thank you. Take care.